All right, family. Today I'm so excited. We are going to be talking about the root chakra. We're going to talk about what it means when it's imbalanced. We're going to talk about how to get it balanced. All right, so now I'm going to give you guys some tips on how you can know when your root chakra is out of balance. So, your root chakra is pretty much at the base of your spine. And when it's out of whack, like you're gonna have like back problems, leg problems, like lower back problems, um, just your spine, just all this is just gonna be just not feeling good. It's gonna be sore. It's gonna be hurting. Are you feeling depressed? Are you just being really distant towards people? Do you not want to be around people? Do you just want to be to yourself? Then that's a sign also that your root chakra is out of balance. Another sign is if you're worried about bills, if you're just not secure with how you're going to pay for things, how you're going to be able to get things, if you're stressed out a lot about and you're just worrying, your root chakra is out of balance. You are not supposed to be worrying about anything. You are supposed to know and understand that the divine in the universe and God has your back. Call upon your spirit team, your spirit guides, your angels, your ancestors, God, the universe, the divine. Call on them for help. You have nothing to worry about. If you are doing everything that you're supposed to be doing, you're just going through whatever you're going through because you are supposed to go through it and you're supposed to learn a lesson from it. Everything happens for a reason. Nothing is, what do they say? Nothing happens by accident. Everything happens for a reason. You meet people for a reason. You go through things for a reason. And every time God breaks you down, it's to bring you back up at an even higher level than what you were already at. So, if your root chakra is imbalanced because you're going through things, you have to snap out of it and know that you are worthy and you deserve everything that you want and everything that you need. Okay. Also, if your root chakra is out of balance, then you're going to feel like your basic essentials are not being met, like your housing needs, having food, having a car, just like your basic needs, just housing and clothes and, things like that. Actually, a car is not really a basic need because you can get around on the bus, okay? Believe me. So, yeah, just make sure that you are staying grounded. I recommend meditation, but we'll get into things that I recommend and things that can help you a little bit later on in this video. All right. When the root chakra is out of harmony, then that means that you are not trusting nature, you are not trusting the universe or the divine, and you are not feeling secure within yourself. Do you feel like the world is on your shoulders and you just don't know what is going on? Everything is going wrong. Nothing's going right. And you're just like, you have that feeling in your stomach and it's just crunching up and you're just like, oh my God, like what is going on? There was just one thing after another happening. Yeah, that means that your root chakra is out of balance. Are you having anxiety? Are you having financial problems? Are you overeating? Are you just super tired and just feel low on energy and drained? Are you feeling like a lower pain in your back, in your feet, in your legs? Your immune system is going to be imbalanced. You might end up getting sick a lot, catching a lot of colds. When your root chakra is out of balance, your teeth, you start having problems with your teeth. And also, sometimes your intestines might get enlarged, which can make your stomach really irritated. Are you being overly materialistic, like you want this car just because you think that it's going to make you feel so good or it's going to make other people look at you at a certain type of way or in a certain type of way? If you have this feeling, then you're being very, very, very over materialistic. And that's not a good thing because the material things in our life we really don't need. We only need the basic essentials. We are living, breathing, and able to see things. We are able to breathe, and as long as you have the basic essentials, then you should be grateful that you are breathing and you're still here and you're still alive. You need to be grateful for the things that you have, okay? Um, okay, so now I'm going to give you guys some tips on how you can balance your root chakra and get it back activated. All right, you guys. So now some herbs that you can use to balance out that root chakra and get it back working and get it back going how you need it to go and functioning how it needs to function. You can use ashwagandha, which is really good for stress. You can use ginseng, that gives you that vitality and energy that you need to help you stay grounded. Also, lavender. Lavender, it relaxes you and it gives you a sense of security and peace. Now you can take these in like powder form and put it in the capsules, or you can put them all in a tea, which would probably be a little bit easier. Yeah, or you can also, like for the lavender, you can kind of just maybe put like a lavender plug-in in your house and you can just be smelling lavender and just being calm and relaxed. All right, so now some essential oils that you can use to balance out your root chakra is lang lang, and it's calming and it gives a grounding effect because it helps with the anxiety and stress. Another one is patchouli. Okay, now that one, it smells so good to me. I love that smell, but it gives like, it's like an earthy smell that also helps you with with grounding. Now, frankincense is another good essential oil that you can use, and it can put you in a deep, like, relaxation state that can help you with calming and grounding as well. So, as we know now, the root chakra is all about being calm and being grounded and knowing that all is well and knowing that you are protected and having faith. Now, when it comes to the chakras, you need to also be moving your body around, getting those chakras activated and getting them working right. So, some poses that really work for me, yoga poses that really work for me. By the way, yoga is amazing. Like, I swear I don't even work out, and I went on my trip, wore a bikini and everything. I haven't wore a two-piece since I was 16. Like, so yeah, yoga is amazing for grounding and relaxation, and just like all your chakras, every chakra. Yoga is good for every chakra, but there's certain poses that are good for each chakra. So, for the root chakra, it's going to be the mountain pose is really good. The tree pose and the warrior pose is really, really good. You do those every day, incorporate them into your yoga, you should be fine. It'll give you the confidence, the energy, the relaxation, and the comfortability within yourself that you need. It'll help you to stay grounded. All right, so now there are some actual body exercises that you can do. You can do them in the gym or you can do them at home to balance your root chakra. So, some of those are squats and lunges and leg raises. Now, this helps to activate the area where the root chakra is located, and it's going to get it activated and get it aligned to where it needs to be. All right, now some crystals that you can use to help balance your root chakra would be black tourmaline, hematite, and red jasper. Now you can meditate with these or you can carry them around. For me, I like to put crystals in my bra. You can put them in your pocket. You can put them in a little pouch and just carry them around with you, whatever you feel comfortable with, whatever. Some other things you can do to balance out that root chakra will be to wear red, red clothes, red t-shirt. Even if it's just some red earrings or some red nail polish, just any kind of red, that you're wearing is going to help balance out that root chakra. Also, you can eat red foods. So that's apples, beets, red peppers, just anything that's red that's like natural. Another thing you can do is make sure you're getting out in nature. Being out in nature is very important to balance that root chakra, because to balance that root chakra, you have to stay grounded and you have to stay present. So getting out into the nature is going to really help you with that. It's going to calm everything around you, and you'll be actually able to think, and being able to think and focus and all that helps with being grounded, which helps the root chakra to stay balanced and helps you to maintain the root chakra staying balanced. So get out into nature, lay in the grass, put your feet in the grass, take your socks off, like take your socks and shoes off, put your feet in the grass, hug a tree. Um, yeah, my son doesn't like to go to the park with me really anymore because I will hug a tree, but it makes me feel good. You guys should try it. It's definitely electrifying, like definitely. Um, yeah, hugging trees and putting your feet in the grass, it feels so amazing. You can literally feel the electricity from like the grass, the ground, the soil. It's just amazing. So yeah, I recommend just getting out into nature, doing like a nature walk, touch some plants, talk to some plants, hug a tree, smell some flowers. Like, it's gonna really help you. Really, it really helps. I've done these things. Everything that I'm talking about, all these things are pretty much things that I've done. So this is going to be a full series on the chakras and how to balance them and how to know when they're out of balance. So stay tuned. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh, and one more thing. Remember, share the wealth, increase the peace. There's enough money out here for everybody to eat.